Good morning. It is 9 a.m. Monday, January 3rd. Happy New Year. If you missed our end of year recap and 2022 outlook that I hosted last week, the recording is now live on our website. Is live on our website. So if you have any questions about what we think the markets are going to do moving forward, you're definitely going to want to go and take a look. We discussed the positives that will help the markets move higher. We talked about potential headwinds that we're watching for, as well as our outlook for 2022. We made some bold predictions about what the markets will do all year and even where we think they will end 12 months from now. And you can find the recording again at www.investwithccg.com. You'll just want to go and click on the events page. You'll see upcoming events as well as recordings for all previous events there as well. If you are an existing client and have not been in for a review for a while, now would be a great time to schedule an appointment to go over your allocations, have a discussion about risk, look at performance, and make decisions about any changes that you should consider as we move into 2022. If you'd like to do this, my calendar is available to you 24/7 online at our website. You can also go directly to www.schedulewitheric.com. No spaces, no dashes, just schedulewitheric.com. But you can also just go to our regular website and click on the schedule an appointment button. Are you retired? If so, our 2022 retirement calendar is also now available on our website. You can use this handy checklist to stay organized in 2022. It includes 50 important dates or actions that all retirees must review throughout the year. And while you're there, while you're grabbing that 2022 retirement calendar, we also have our key financial data for 2022 ready for you. This document includes key numbers that could affect your finances in 2022. Again, this can be found on our website. If you're on our email list, I'll include a link to both of these documents as well as the recording to our Outlook later on today when I send out our weekly email. If you're not on our email list, you can subscribe to that at www.investwithccg.com. All right, so with that, let's take a look at what happened last week in the markets. So in this week's recap, despite Omicron concerns, stocks end the year mostly positive with strong holiday sales figures. I'm going to go ahead and roll the intro, and then we will dive into last week's recap. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. Stocks closed out the year on a mostly positive note, adding to the year's gains as concerns about the economic issues of Omicron infections receded. The Dow Jones Industrials Average rose 1.08% last week, while the Standard & Poor's 500 picked up 0.85%. The NASDAQ Composite Index was essentially flat, down 0.05% for the week. And the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, posted an increase of 0.8%. The end of the year is historically a strong period for stocks, a seasonal pattern dubbed the Santa Claus Rally. This year's final week of trading did not disappoint, as stocks posted healthy gains to kick off the week, despite a global increase in Omicron infections. Investors were buoyed by data that showed fewer associated hospitalizations, which helped ease fears of the variant's economic impact. The S&P 500 set multiple fresh record highs, with Wednesday's new high representing the 70th such high in 2021, while the Dow Jones Industrials Average recorded its first new record since November. Stocks drifted on low trading volume in the final 2 trading days of the year, capping a good week, a solid month, and a strong year for investors. The market got off to a good start last week, in part due to a strong holiday sales report. A major credit card issuer reported that consumer holiday spending rose 8.5% from last year's levels, driven by an 11% gain in online sales. It was the biggest annual increase in 17 years. The spending by consumers exceeded pre-pandemic sales by 10.7%. The retail categories that experienced the highest sales increases were apparel, up 47.3%, and jewelry, up 32%. It was a particularly robust number in view of investor concerns about supply chain disruptions, port congestion, labor shortages, and wavering consumer confidence. All right, today I thought we would wrap up with a little bit of fun. So I have a riddle for you. And if you're the first person to post the correct answer down below this video, whether you're watching on Facebook or if you're watching on YouTube, then I'll send out a gift card to you for coffee on me. Does that sound good? All right, so again, the first person to correctly put the answer to this riddle down below this video on either our Facebook page or on our YouTube channel below this video, we will go ahead and send you a gift card for coffee on us. All right, so today's riddle is, I was framed, yet the man who framed me committed no crime. How is this possible? So again, I was framed, yet the man who framed me committed no crime. Again, be the first person to put the correct answer down below this video on either Facebook or on YouTube, and I'll send you a gift card for Caribou Coffee on us. And then lastly, as always, remember later on today, I'll be sending out our full economic update and links to our 2022 market outlook, our key financial data for 2022, as well as our 2022 retirement calendar. So if you're not getting this email and you would like it, again, just head on over to www.investwithccg.com and put in your name and email there and subscribe to the list. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.